and truly wonderful with all the behaviors and characteristics that every animal has. It's hard not to be amazed by them. And now, let's talk about some facts of animals. Do you know which animals cannot jump? If your answer is elephants, then you're correct. Elephants can jump because simply they don't have to. Most animals jump primarily to get away from predators. Elephants keep themselves safe in other ways. Even if they can't jump, the bones in their legs are all pointed downwards, preventing any motions that is necessary to jump. Do you know what's rhinoceros horn made of? Rhino's horn is made of hair. Well, they're actually made of keratin, in which the protein makes up hair. Did you know that the crocodile is the biggest reptiles on Earth? Crocodiles are the aquatic reptiles and among the most feared carnivores on Earth because of their size, big powerful jaws, and aggressiveness. Crocodiles eat a variety of fish, birds, and other animals. Crocodiles release heat through their mouths rather than through sweat glands.